make sure these two things are on, not off. Okay, start the two, so it started, and make sure they are on green. Then that's the first. The second is you go to your htdoc folder. So this is where I kept my htdoc folder. By now you should know what the htdoc folder is. Okay, yes, I hope you're not. Yeah, so right click, and but if in case you don't know, that's from XAMPP. Download XAMPP and install XAMPP, latest XAMPP. Then it you get to this, go and open it from this section. Yeah, htdoc, and then download WordPress dot WordPress and install WordPress. Then extract the WordPress zip. So that's what we're about to do now. We're extracting the WordPress zip. Use extract here. So we'll be using, I'm using extract file extractor, which is the WinRAR. So you need to also download WinRAR and install. Okay, so that's all you need for this project. So it's extracting. So wait for it to extract until it's done. Okay, so once it's done, it will show you this folder. Rename it to what you want. So I'll be using NGO for now. Of course, start small letters NGO. Then I'll go to my browser. I'll be using Firefox for this project. So of course, first of all, I need to open localhost. The way we do it, we open localhost. Then if it loads, you go to php my admin. So we want to access the database. So as, okay, let me take it one after the other. So as I have created this one, I also need to create another a database for it. So it's opening. Okay, so I'll go and click on new. Then I'll click on new database. From this section, new, I'll select, I follow me. Okay, I'll type NGO, and from here I'll go up and select UTF-8 underscore general, UTF-8 underscore general. Then I'll click on create. So it's done. Now open a new tab or click on this plus and type localhost. Now I want to access the website that I created. So how do I do it? NGO slash NGO, localhost slash NGO. Then click and wait for it to load. Okay, here we go. So it has opened. So we need to click on let's go. Okay, from here type the name of that this database name is this stuff you created, which is this NGO. So type it NGO. Okay, then the database username is this username for this, and generally we have it as root. So it is always constant for this XAMPP, which is root. For password for this is always empty. We have it constant to be empty. Okay, so once you are done, click on submit. Don't touch these two things. Okay, it will show you this action. Click on run the installation. So you want to install WordPress now, run the installation. So from here, of course, we'll be typing the title of the site, which we'll be using amazing NGO website. Feeding children. Just give it any title of your choice. Then username, use any username of your choice. But for this class, I'll just be using admin so that it will be easy to remember. So I'll be typing admin, and for the password, I also use admins. Okay, admin, so that I don't forget. Then on the confirm password, I'll just click on, I'll tick this option. On the email, I'll just use anything of my choice. I can just use my name, my email, choose at gmail.com. Okay, then I'll move on. Discourage search engine from indexing this site. Then click on install WordPress and wait. So we'll wait for the installation to be done. Alright, so we need to log in. It is done. So log in. Okay, click on login. All right. So wait for it to log in. So as it's logging in, we need to get our team. So our team, everything is ready. Okay, and the plugins. So first of all, the team. How do we get the team? Click on appearance. By now, you should have the team set on somewhere. Okay, click on add new teams. So if you click on add new teams, click on upload teams, then browse. From here, I'll go and select the theme I want to use. Okay. All right. So it will show you. So mine is in the desktop. I'll have to send you this theme. I'll drop the link or send you the theme. So from here, click on open theme, then install now, and wait for it to install. All right. So mine has installed. Okay. So click on activate. Alright, so that's where it took us to. So from here we have to click on begin installing plugins. So you can see we need to install at least one, two, three. These are the required plugins. Are you getting me? These are the required plugins. Then these ones are recommended. So it means that we can you must install these three. Then these ones can, but on a normal, please, without wasting time, just tick all these things and click apply. Are you getting me? Click all these things and click what? Apply. So once you click apply, it will start loading. So that's it. Click apply and it starts loading. Sorry, click on, if you select everything, then click on bulk install, bulk action, click install, then click apply. So once you click this apply, everything will start installing. Alright, so you can see that all of my is now installed, so I need to activate it. Now listen, if your own failed, that means something went wrong. Then in that case, you can be installing it one after the other. If your own failed, then install one after the other. But since my own is successful, I'll need to select bulk action and click apply. Then click apply. Okay. Sorry, of course I need to select this and bulk action apply. I wait for it to do one after the other. Alright, so mine is done. So I am done with the installation. So what's next after this installation? Return to that. That's not important. The main thing is that I do the necessary things. So let me just go to dashboard. I can click here or you can still use this way. The main thing is that it shows you the new page. Okay. Of course, you should give it time to load because it just installed different plugins. Wait for it to load. Alright, so it's back to the dashboard. So what do you do here from here? Just close all the notifications you are getting here. They are not needed, right? They are not needed. Close. Alright, so what's our focus? Our focus is to import a demo data. How do you import a demo data? Now watch me carefully. So I will go to appearance, then down there you see import scene demo. Click on it and wait for it to load. Alright, so here we go. Scroll down and this is the demo data variable. So you can choose any of these, but I will be using the first one. Okay, you can still preview, but no need to preview. I've seen it in it, so I'm using import demo first one. So if you want to preview, you can still preview, but then I've seen it already, so that's it. I wait for it to load. Okay, here we go. Now please don't tick any of these options. It's not a must, but you can still tick, but I just suggest you leave anything here. Just click on continue and import. So wait for it to import. Alright, so once the import is complete, it will show you something like this. Congratulations, your demo was successfully imported. So congrats, you've successfully. Now let's check our finished work. Of course, note that this process will take minutes. Sometimes it can take up to 10 minutes, 15 minutes before it gets to this end, or even 20.